The market is going down, but not for XRP. This thing is going off as it gets close to $1. It's worth $0.87 right now. This is an increase of 4.5% because people who own the seventh biggest cryptocurrency are hopeful about the future of the $3 trillion industry led by Trump. Since election night, Ripple, a blockchain payments company that uses XRP to make transfers possible, has gone up a lot. Early this week, it went up a lot because people thought that its CEO had met with the president-elect after his victory and that anti-crypto CC head Gary Gensler might soon say he is resigning. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, is here in studio for Fox Business only to talk about all of this. Okay, a 70% rise since the election. I'm going to guess that you like Donald Trump as a president, because he is in charge of the crypto world and is very open to it. What a change 10 days makes. The US crypto industry has been under attack for years. It's been war. And I think we finally have a crypto president. Trump has embraced the crypto business, and I'm very excited about what the future holds. I'll remind you that you said that. Since the election, the crypto assets that have done the best are all US companies or technologies. Across North and South America, the cryptocurrency business is becoming more and more famous, and Ripple is at the forefront of this trend. It was pointed out by Ripple that organizations' need for digital assets would keep growing in the future because of the expected change in the regulatory environment that will happen after Donald Trump wins. Because people are becoming more interested in investing in digital assets, North America is once again becoming a major market for cryptocurrencies. According to new data from Chainalysis, the region saw a total of $1.2 trillion worth of cryptocurrency transactions in the year leading up to June 2022. This made it the world's largest cryptocurrency market. But institutional buyers have been very important to the market. Since 76% of all trades were worth more than $1 million, which shows that they were important. This action goes a long way towards showing how more big players in the market are getting involved and how digital assets are becoming more integrated into the financial system as a whole. Right now, Ripple is focusing on the market in Latin America. A story from CNF says that Ripple wants to take advantage of a big chance for digital assets in Latin America, where the economy is bad in fiat. Currencies are falling apart. There are 4 big markets in this area: Brazil, Argentina, Mexico, and Venezuela. People and businesses in these countries are interested in digital assets because of the risks that come with currency changes and rising prices. Latin America has 7 of the world's cryptocurrencies, making it the 7th biggest market for trading and using cryptocurrencies. Latin America comes in at number 7 with this percentage. Countries like Colombia, Chile, and Peru are working to connect their stock exchanges so they can get more foreign capital. Lots of investors in the area prefer digital assets to traditional markets because traditional markets don't have a lot of money flowing through them. Even though more people are using Bitcoin, regulatory systems in the Americas are not keeping up with those in other places. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum can be bought and sold as exchange-traded funds ETFs in the United States. However, Ripple's XRP is not considered a security. But greater regulatory certainty is still hard to come by. The lack of clarity in the region's regulations continues to make it hard for digital assets to grow and be used by more people. The CNF study shows that as more digital assets are used, so does the demand for cryptocurrency solutions. This is because of the growing need for cryptocurrency custody. In this part of the coin custody market, Ripple Custody is the leader. At the time, family offices are what make the cryptocurrency market go. But pension funds are likely to do the same thing because there is institutional interest in the increasing security measures, and getting ready for more assets are 2 things that network managers need to do to meet future needs. As bigger companies come into the market, custodians will have to come up with solutions for both hot and cold storage systems to keep asset management safe. Technology partners are very important to this process because they help bridge the gap between standard banking and the market for digital assets. They make it possible for institutions to use cryptographic protocols by giving them ways to make infrastructure more safe. The growth of Ripple shows this trend. This has led more banks to work with tech companies to safely handle and add digital currencies to their services. The all-time high price for Ripple's XRP was $0.84, which was the first time it had been that high since 7th July 2023. That was a big win for Ripple in court. It made it possible for the final ruling and ended the class action lawsuits. Finally, XRP has joined the cryptocurrency bull market by hitting an all-time high of 84 cents, which is the highest level in about 16 months. This level was last reached at the start of July 2023. In the last 24 hours, the price of XRP has gone up by almost 23%. Rising from a low point during the day of 68 cents. Some cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin were affected by Donald Trump's recent win in the election for President of the United States. However, XRP was not as affected. Even so, the alternative coin has gone against what was expected and broken the long-term downward trend today. The rise happens when big things happen that make investors hopeful. For starters, Ripple Labs and its CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, recently had a big legal win when an American court decided in their favor. This choice stopped the individual class claims and let Ripple go ahead with the final ruling. This decision, which is seen as a major turning point in the current legal battle, has opened up a path to success for Ripple. An even bigger stir has been caused by the fact that 18 U.S. states have sued the Securities and Exchange Commission, saying that Chairman Gary Gensler is illegally overstepping his bounds. Because of this, the market is becoming more optimistic, which has led to forecasts that Ripple may be able to win its case against the SEC. The price of XRP has gone up by more than 47% in the last week because of this, and many people think it will soon hit a new all-time high. There are different signs about the price of XRP. On the XRP cryptocurrency's 4-hour chart, there is a golden cross. This takes place when the 50-day moving average for the short term moves over the 200-day moving average for the long term. Since the price of XRP has gone up by more than 50% in just 1 month, this is a common sign of good things to come. This change in pace is seen as a good sign for the cryptocurrency. The information given is not meant to be taken as trade advice. Any purchases made based on the information on this page are not the responsibility of the people who made them. Before making any investment decisions, you should definitely do your own study and talk to a professional who knows what they're talking about.